Puravankara expands portfolio with 13,900 crore rupees GDV in NOR MFY 26, Q3 performance stays firm. Puravankara shares saw a measured reaction following the Q3 FY26 update, with movements reflecting a balance between near-term demand moderation and strong medium-term visibility from fresh land additions. The stock trend suggests investors are tracking execution and monetization of the expanded portfolio rather than only quarterly numbers. In Q3 FY26, the company reported pre-sales of 1,414 crore rupees, marking a healthy year-on-year increase. Average realization improved sharply, indicating pricing strength across launched projects, while customer collections rose to 1,140 crore rupees, highlighting steady cash flow conversion. Operational execution remained stable during the quarter, with over 1.2 million square feet handed over and more than 1,100 homes delivered. This took cumulative deliveries in 9MFY26 to nearly 2.6 million square feet, reinforcing the company's focus on completion and customer handovers. The most notable development during 9MFY26 was the sharp expansion of Puravankara's development pipeline. The company added over 12.7 million square feet of potential developable area with an estimated GDV of about 13,900 crore rupee through a mix of outright land acquisitions, joint developments, and redevelopment projects. Key additions included a large land parcel in Anekal, Bengaluru, multiple partnerships in North and East Bengaluru, and premium redevelopment projects in Malabar Hill and Chembur in Mumbai. These acquisitions deepen Puravankara's presence in high-demand urban clusters with strong long-term absorption potential. From a strategy standpoint, the company continues to focus on asset-light and partnership-led growth while selectively deploying capital in marquee locations. This approach helps balance sheet discipline with scale expansion and future revenue visibility. Within the real estate sector, residential demand showed some moderation during the quarter, but pricing resilience in well-located projects remained intact. Commercial real estate activity stayed firm, particularly in Bengaluru and Mumbai, supporting broader confidence in urban real estate fundamentals. Risks to monitor include execution timelines on newly acquired projects, regulatory approvals for redevelopment assets, and short-term demand volatility in certain residential segments. However, diversified geography and project mix provide some insulation against market swings. Looking ahead, Puravankara's expanded land bank positions the company well for sustained launches over the next few years. For investors, the key takeaway is the combination of steady Q3 performance and a materially strengthened growth pipeline, which improves medium-term visibility while keeping focus on disciplined execution.